Now, I've just started my YouTube channel and I'm testing out some new things, and I wanted to see if this style of video made me happier and more satisfied with the outcome. And so, tell me whether or not you like it if you're watching this. You probably are, because there's no other way you know I'm saying this. And so, just let me know what you think. Now, a lot of people know about the struggle of being a guy, and how whenever things are in like the most obvious place, you still can't find them. And that can be frustrating at times, and this is to demonstrate the difference between guys and girls when looking for something like the fridge. So, let's roll that first clip. Dang, I am starving. Are you kidding me? There's like nothing in here. I can't eat mayonnaise. So now, after getting to the fridge and realizing that it's empty for no good reason, you have to call your mom, aka the girl. And this is how she sees the fridge, as opposed to a man. Sweetie, what are you talking about? The fridge is full. Alright, there's no way when I open this fridge there's going to be any food in there. How? That makes no sense. There's none. Now, after the girl has shown the boy that there indeed is food in the fridge, it's his job to eat up. Alright, you know what? I'm not gonna be mad. I'm just gonna be happy. I'm gonna get this watermelon and get out of here. Thank you, Mom. Now, if you did make it this far in the video, it really means a lot to me and I appreciate it, because I'm really just starting my YouTube channel and every view counts at this point, and I really appreciate you, and feel free to subscribe and help me grow. Bye bye.